If we want to add this button over here, we simply have to click on it. Then we can see that we are in the button widget over here. We have the settings for the button over here. We have the type of the button over here, the text. We can change the text over here. We can also use AI by clicking over here. We can have a link added over here. By clicking on this wheel, we have the option to open the link in a new window. We can also use dynamic tags from over here in order to link to an internal URL or to the site URL, like so. So now, whenever someone is going to click on this button, they are going to be taken to the homepage of the site. We have the option to have an icon. By clicking over here, we are going to open the icon library, so we can choose a different icon from over here and click on insert. We can also upload an icon or have no icon. We can choose the position of the icon before the text or after the text, and the icon spacing, like so. By going to style, we have style for the button. So we have the position, we can see it like so, the alignment of the text, like so, the typography, we can use global typography from over here, or custom typography from over here, font family from over here, the sizing from over here, the weight from over here, if we want to transform it from over here, style from over here, decoration from over here, the line height, the letter spacing, and the word spacing. We can always click on this icon over here to go back to default. We have the option for text shadow from over here, the color from over here, opacity from over here, blur from over here, horizontal distance and vertical distance from over here. Let's click on this icon to go back to default. Then we have the colors over here. We have colors for normal state and for the hover state. We have the text color over here, so let's change it. The background color, we can have a solid color or a gradient if we want to. Let's choose a gradient and change the colors. The location of the colors, like so. The angle of the colors and the type of the gradient from over here. If we are going to hover, we once again have the text color over here, the background type solid color or gradient, the border color over here, the transition duration, and we can also have an animation. So we can choose an animation from over here. So now if we are hovering, we can see the animation like so. If we don't want an animation anymore, we can simply click over here on this X. Then we have border radius. From over here, we can always unlink the values like so. We have box shadow from over here. The color is from over here. The opacity from over here. The horizontal distance. The vertical distance. The blur from over here. And the spread from over here. And the padding of the button from over here. In the advanced settings, we have margins and paddings. We can always check the tablet view like so and the mobile view like so.